The monarch butterfly, or simply monarch, is a milkweed butterfly in the family Nymphalidae. The monarch butterfly is a well-known species of butterfly known for its striking appearance and long-distance migrations. Monarch butterflies are characterized by their bright orange wings with black veins and borders. They also have white spots on the edges of their wings. The wingspan of an adult monarch butterfly typically ranges from 8.9 to 10.2 centimeters. Monarch butterflies undergo complete metamorphosis, which consists of 4 distinct stages: egg, caterpillar, pupa, and adult. The female monarch lays her eggs on the underside of milkweed leaves, which are the sole food source for monarch caterpillars. The eggs hatch after about 4 days, and the larvae begin feeding on the milkweed leaves. The caterpillar goes through several molts, shedding its skin as it grows. It takes about 2 weeks for the caterpillar to reach full size. At this point, it forms a chrysalis, where it undergoes the transformation into an adult butterfly. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar's body breaks down and reorganizes into the adult butterfly. After about 10 to 14 days, the adult monarch butterfly emerges. Monarch butterflies are famous for their remarkable migrations. In North America, the monarchs from eastern parts of Canada and the United States migrate south to Mexico for the winter, while those from western parts of North America migrate to the coast of California. These migrations can cover distances of thousands of miles. The monarchs rely on environmental cues, such as changes in day length and temperature, to initiate and navigate their migrations. It is still a topic of scientific study how individual butterflies can find their way to the same overwintering sites year after year, as no single butterfly completes the entire round trip. Monarch butterflies face various threats to their populations. Loss of habitat is a significant concern, as the destruction of milkweed plants, which monarch caterpillars rely on for food, has reduced their breeding grounds. Pesticide use, climate change, and extreme weather events also pose risks to their survival. Efforts are being made to conserve monarch butterflies and their habitats. Planting milkweed and creating butterfly-friendly gardens can provide important resources for their survival. Conservation organizations and governments are also working to protect overwintering sites and promote monarch butterfly conservation awareness. Monarch butterflies are not only beautiful insects but also serve as important pollinators. Their conservation is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and a healthy ecosystem. Monarch butterflies, like many other organisms, have natural predators that prey on them at various stages of their life cycle. Many bird species feed on adult monarch butterflies. They are attracted to the bright colors, slow flight, and relatively large size of monarchs, making them easy targets. Some bird species that are known to prey on monarchs include orioles, jays, blackbirds, and sparrows. Monarch butterfly eggs, caterpillars, and pupae are vulnerable to predation by other insects. Predatory insects such as spiders, ants, wasps, and mantises may consume monarch eggs, caterpillars, or pupae if they come across them. Some species of parasitic wasps lay their eggs on or inside monarch caterpillars, eventually leading to their demise. Certain reptiles and amphibians also prey on monarch butterflies when they have the opportunity. Small lizards, such as anoles, and some amphibians, like tree frogs, may feed on adult monarchs or their caterpillars. While less common, some mammals may eat monarch butterflies. Bats, for instance, have been observed capturing and consuming monarchs during their nocturnal flights. Additionally, small mammals such as mice and shrews may occasionally prey on monarchs if given the chance. Monarch butterflies that migrate and gather in large numbers at overwintering sites, such as those in Mexico, may face threats from predatory insects. These include predatory beetles and ants that feed on the monarchs while they are in their dormant state, clustered together in trees. The diet of monarch butterflies is closely tied to their life cycle and specific feeding requirements at each stage. Monarch caterpillars have a highly specialized diet and feed exclusively on plants from the milkweed family. Milkweed plants contain toxic compounds called cardiac glycosides, which are absorbed by the caterpillars and stored in their bodies. These toxins make the caterpillars and adult butterflies unpalatable to many predators, serving as a defense mechanism. Monarch caterpillars eat the leaves, stems, and sometimes flowers of milkweed plants. They have strong mouthparts that allow them to chew and consume the foliage. As they feed on milkweed, they accumulate the toxins, which protect them from predation. Adult monarch butterflies have a different diet compared to their caterpillar stage. Once they undergo metamorphosis and emerge from the chrysalis, their primary focus shifts to obtaining energy for flight, reproduction, and survival. Monarch butterflies primarily feed on the nectar of flowers, especially those rich in nectar-producing plants. They have a long tube-like structure that enables them to access the nectar from deep within the flower. Monarchs are known to prefer specific flower species, such as milkweed, which continues to be a food source for them even as adults, goldenrod, asters, and various other wildflowers. While nectar provides the main source of energy for adult monarchs, they also obtain additional nutrients from other sources. In rare cases, they may consume fluids from rotting fruits, tree sap, and mud puddles. This behavior, known as mud puddling, allows them to obtain essential minerals and salts. It's important to note that the diet of monarch butterflies can vary depending on geographic location and availability of food sources. However, milkweed remains crucial for both the larval and adult stages, as it serves as the sole food source for the caterpillars and provides important resources for the adults. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.